Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Parmesan meatballs. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. So let me tell you what we have. We have some marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, onion powder, black pepper. We're gonna use some crushed red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, kosher salt, fresh Parmesan cheese, fresh mozzarella, 1 egg, some garlic cloves, fresh basil, and we're gonna use some ground beef right here. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start off by preparing our ground beef. So we're gonna add our egg, our fresh basil, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, salt, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, fresh garlic, and some Parmesan cheese. And we're going to get that mixed in. We're going to incorporate it well, like this. Then we're going to come behind that with some fresh shredded mozzarella. We're going to do the same thing, get it mixed well, incorporate it. And this is what we have. Before we get into forming our meatballs, I want to take our baking dish that we're going to use and I want to spray it with some cooking spray. And also, guys, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. That way it's ready once you finish forming your meatballs and putting them in your dish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this, move that to the side like that, bring our meatballs back into the shot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 2 to 3 ounce meatballs for each. All right, so I'm gonna take me a little bit, take a little handful. If you don't have a scale, guys, just kind of eyeball it. You can make them small meatballs if you're gonna use them for like appetizers, but these are like, you want a pretty good sized meatball. So this here is about 2.5 ounces. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for more of the big ones. All right, so that's what we have right there, our second one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these babies all formed up and I'll be right back because this is a boring process right here, guys. All right, guys, so I was able to get about 11 meatballs in my dish right here. You don't wanna put them too close together. You wanna have a little bit of space in between them. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees and now I'm going to stick them in here for 15 to 20 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. So they're so you want to make sure that you're taking a look at it because it all depends on how hot your oven gets. So let me get them in the oven, be right back. All right, so we are 25 minutes in. I let mine stand there for 25 minutes based on the temperature of my stove. So this is 25 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drain this this juice out of it, or this liquid out of it, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have it drained all the liquid out, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to top our meatballs with some of our marinara sauce, like that. I mean, I guess you can, if you wanna pour it over there, you can, but typically you just wanna top it off like this. That way you make sure you're getting some of that marinara sauce on your meatballs. And if you have any remaining sauce, then you can run it down the sides of it, around the, in a pan like that. Then next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cheese and you're gonna top your cheese off over your meatballs. And guys, remember, this is a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now feel free to add more cheese if you like. It's totally up to you. All right, so now I've got all our cheese on it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stick this back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted, okay? All right, I'll be right back. All right, so now we're back after 5 minutes in the oven, guys. Take a look at this. Man, I don't know what to say about it. This looks so good. I can't wait to bite into it. So what we're gonna do now, just to add a little color to it, I'm gonna add some of that fresh basil to it. Like that. Or if you have any parsley, you can do fresh parsley too also. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me a couple of these meatballs on a plate and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Baked Parmesan meatballs. Guys, what do you think about this particular recipe here? Go ahead, check the video description. The ingredients and the measurements are all there. The All Wings Everything merch is there. The ebook link is there. Guys, go ahead, check it out, and let's go ahead and get into quality control. All right, let's go. All right, so now it's time for quality control, and I'm here with these baked Parmesan meatballs. Guys, take a look at that. Oh, this delicious plate. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it because they look and smell so good. Let's see what it tastes like. Just as I expected. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And yes, I am out. Peace.